Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Add Yours feature on TikTok. Well, similarly to Instagram, TikTok's Add Yours feature allows people to respond to a prompt on stories with photos or videos. So the Add Yours button appears below your TikTok bio, as you can see, and lets you create prompt stickers that others can interact with. So here you can create stickers that contain text. So for example, to create Add Yours prompt, first you need to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. So go to Google Play Store, and if an update button shows up, just need to tap on that update. Once you've done here on your profile page, tap on this Add Yours feature below your profile link. And here you will go on the next page saying create a new prompt and invite friends to join. So click new prompt. And here you can write a prompt depending on the prompt that you like, or you can use the suggested prompts right here at the bottom. So for example, we will try to use a suggested prompt. So right here, and then tap on done right there at the top right. So here basically you can add photos or videos that related to that caption. And then here once you've done, tap on this next right here at the bottom of your screen, and then you will now go to the next page where you can post this on your TikTok story. Now take a look at your story on your TikTok. So as you can see here, so basically we have here a invite friends message box. So others can then click on that prompt, and then they can add their own pictures with that prompt. So if they are on your story and tap on that prompt, basically they can add their own pictures with that prompt. So that's it. That's how you basically use the Add Yours features on TikTok. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.